trading, and let me just go into SPY here real quick to get started. Is that so we're still in a bull mode, and but we're getting to a point now where we're getting overbought on my signal, and the if you notice, you've been following the videos, you're like, hey, there's a new color in here. It's just something else I programmed to just give me some obvious entry points that will align with the buy signal. And this is really just telling me that SPY's in a bull mode. It's uptrending. It's making higher lows, and so we can expect it to continue until it doesn't. And the proof's on the bears to look for a sell-off, and it's just not coming yet. It's just every dip is being bought yet. At some point, it's just going to throw up, but it's not there yet. And so SPY's still in bull mode, and tonight's the Bank of Japan's probably what's holding it up. If they're dovish, we can get the blowout here, and I'm still looking on the high side at 212. We're at 209.62. If it breaks down, I'm looking at 204 because the head and shoulder that blew up, but that's the next support area. It's right in here, and so, but right now we're still buy all dips mode. And today, my focus trade was actually a biotech company, and something I've been following for a while. Well, it broke out pretty hard a couple days ago, went into a bull flag, and now it's coming back out. So this trade's still good. I'm looking for $12.50, $13 on this stuff, and I think there's a ways to go. They're a genome mapping company. They have some new technology that's better than pretty much anybody out there at a lower cost. And so they're starting to take market share, generating revenue. And when you're generating revenue and you start covering those fixed costs, cash flow starts to happen, and then these things really just rocket. I wouldn't be surprised if this thing gets taken out. And they're a trade that we took, because typically what happens is that when the market goes into Fed time, is that we have a push down on miners. Well, today, we bought that in anticipation of this move. It drove up right in the beginning to $2, and then it sold back off again. We're still in the trade because it's setting up again here pretty quickly. But if it doesn't push back up into $2 or higher on this next move higher, then we're out of the trade, and it looks like the miners are on a run. And I started actually now accumulating miners. I've been waiting for a pullback. It's just not happening. I'm gonna have to bite the bullet, and I'm just going ahead and I'm accumulating now. And I'll do a report strictly on miners here in the next couple weeks. I have 5 or 6 of them I really like that I bought in the past when it was in bubble mode, and I think we're going to go back into bubble mode again on these if the Federal Reserves keep doing what they're doing. And let's see, XIV just simply paid us again. I've been day trading this one, and it was bought here this morning at 27. Actually, I bought it at 28. 28.12 was my average price, and waited for after the announcement. And then I got out at 28.91. It actually pushed up into 29s, and we're overbought again. And I'm just waiting for this thing to set back up again. But it's just there's no indication that volatility is getting bought, and it just keeps getting squeezed. And until it does so, we're going to just keep buying the dips and making money on XIV. So anyway, that's my trades and what we're doing. We'll talk a little bit more tomorrow. We have a webinar, free, 5 p.m., be live streamed. Come on board. I'll talk a little bit about my setups, how I do things, what I like, and help you guys become better traders if that is your interest. And also, if you already know how to trade, look for good setups. We'll talk about those too. And if you're looking for help and you want to join us and become part of our service, we'd love to have you. Thanks. Have a great day. Bye.